Okay,
No.
so we just got done with the workout with the first for that channel, for the channel link below. That was the workout. It was crucial. We killed it. Now we about to go do some retail arbitrage. If you guys haven't noticed though, look how, I mean, if you guys want to see how I'm getting these gains like this, look at my gains. If you guys want to see how I'm getting these gains, go follow the other channel. It's the life vlog. But we about to go in and do some retail arbitrage. I'm gonna show you guys how we get some money now. Let's get it. So we're at none other than the Burlington. This is what we about to do, guys. Let's get in here. Let's just find some stuff. Let's crush it. Yeah, so instantly, guys, I come in the store and I go straight my first section in every store. I'll see you, baby. I'll be over here. My first section in every store is usually always the kitchen section. I just love it. Well, not kitchen, but like home stuff, you know, so like kitchen decorations, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, utensils, utilities. That's usually the first section I always enter. Here we are. Look at this. See, so let's see, I'll show you off that what I would start scanning. And the sucky thing about Burlington, sometimes they put their barcodes, they cover their barcodes with their little stickers. See, like little things like this, these are jackpots, you know what I mean? I never saw, see what I'm saying? They cover it, so it's kind of hard to scan. I'll usually try to look for one that's not covered. That little piece may be able to scan right there. Let's look for this one. This one's good. So let's take out the phone. Starting to make sales, guys. Told you, it's getting real. Oh, I think it scared the wrong barcode. Oh, it actually scanned it. 70,000 in kitchen, $12.99. Let's see. Oh no, no good after the shipping fees. But used is $11.40. That's so weird. Yeah, see, after shipping fees, let's see, new $6.33. That's because Amazon is on it. So Amazon's on it. You can take a risk. You can get these and hold off on them and wait till Amazon sells out. But for now, yeah, I'm gonna skip these for now, guys. Okay, guys, so those were a no-go. But right down here, I found these Mr. Barbecue gas grill covers, right? And so, since like I told you, they were all the barcodes are covered up. So what I did was, you can either screen the package. You can either take a scan the package, or you can type it in. I typed it in, but I already found it. I found several different listings right here. The best two being the top two. So I would either use this listing right here, 129 rank, 200 reviews, and they're all good. Amazon's not on a listing. Profits would be $23, so minus $10, so about $13 profit. That's the first listing, and the second one around the same. Well, almost close, but yeah, guys. So you can either scan the package, or let me save this really quick, because this is the listing I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna go with this listing, so let me save it, add it to my favorites. You can either scan the package like this, and maybe it will come up. See, and if that doesn't work, oh, it worked. There we go. See, it'll pop up. But I would have got this bad listing, right? But if you type it in, if you actually go to add a product, go to the type and type in Mr. Barbecue medium gas grill cover, it'll give you a bunch of results. And that's what I did. Alright, guys, so those are winners. Yeah, let me go those. So I'm probably gonna take 2 of these, or all of them actually. As I'm scrolling through the store, right, like things like this is what I look for. You see, all this crap is yeah, it is what it is, right? But you could scan these. I kind of know now that certain brands are hard to, they don't have everything on Amazon, so I don't think these would be on there, but you never know, I might scan them. Something like this I would scan, especially because it says as seen on TV at the top. Anything that says as seen on TV usually is a good deal. But I just scanned these ones on that side. I seen them and they didn't pop up. So let me see. These, all the stuff in the boxes, like this, like, let's see. Let's look at this. And this one actually has a barcode. Check this out, guys. So I'm gonna scan this one really quick. It's right here, popped up. Crazy BSR, 1,000 in kitchen. That means it's gonna. That's 1,000 in kitchen means it's like as soon as it gets in, it's gonna be sold, guys. Amazon is on the listing. That's the bad thing. And it's for $6.29, and they're selling theirs for basically $5. So it's almost like, do you want to spend $5 to make $1? Now this is one of those things where you have to. It's all about your personal preference. Like, you can buy a bunch of these, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, just to make $4. Or you want to wait it out, you know what I mean? Maybe try to look for something better. For me and what I go for, you guys already know. I'm probably gonna let this one slide, even though it'll sell really, really fast. I mean, that's a tough one because I know if I buy them and send them in, they're gonna sell. I know they're gonna sell, like, immediately. So that's pretty much, that's a tough one. That's a tough call. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna let it. I think I'm gonna let it slide this time, though. I'm gonna let it slide. But these, however, I gotta scan some more stuff. So you see, guys, I'm gonna scan these. I'm gonna scan this. I'm gonna scan this. I'm gonna scan this. You see, guys, like, I'm definitely gonna scan that too down here. Yeah, those are the type of things I'm gonna scan. But since it's kind of hard, since it's just me holding the camera right now, so I'm gonna just scan these guys and let you know how it goes. Okay, guys, so I found a few products over there. Not too many more. Some that I want to test. These little eggly things that I'm only gonna make not too much profits. And these dog treats, I'm gonna make like $1 or $2 profits on those. Just want to test them because there's a lot over there. So when I send them in, if they sell fast, I'll come back and buy them all. And that's pretty much what I do as well. I like to test stuff. Now I'm looking for the toys. They used to have a toys section. Okay, guys, well, I didn't find the toys yet, but I found this section, which is Scan Central. You see stuff like this. I'm about to scan everything. So, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. My hunger is taking over me. But look at all this, guys. Yo, here's some toys. You see, all this stuff is Scan Central, guys. Yeah. So you just want to be fast. You want to be fast and try to scan as much as you can. There's a quicker way to scan everything too. I lost mine, actually. I gotta order another one from Amazon. There's a scanner that you can attach to your phone. I forget how much it costs. You put it on your phone, and then it's a little red light like the ones in the store. Like people that you know, if you're in the store, working in the store scanning stuff, and literally, guys, it saves you so much time. You just, that light, shoom, 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 and it just pops up, opens your app for you, and tells you the price. It's amazing. I need to get that again for stuff like this. You can just zoom, 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 and you're good to go, really quick. So yeah, I'm gonna scan a couple of these things, and then I'm gonna be out of here, guys, because I just left the gym and my muscles are hungry. I'm starving. My hunger's getting to me. We gotta go pick up my daughter, and yeah, so I'm gonna scan a few things here and call it a day. Well, not a day. Call it a wrap for this store. I might go hit another store after I eat, though. Okay, guys, so real quick, I want to show you a jackpot I just found, right? I found one of them. I'm going to look for another one. I don't know why they marked it down this much, but you see this slip and slide thing? Check this out, guys. I found it, right? That's it. And they got 116,000 ranking toys. Not bad for toys at all. And look at the price. $2.99. That's a Goodwill price. I'm gonna ask them why. Maybe it's missing something or something's broke. I gotta make sure first. But yeah, it's not open. It's completely sealed. Maybe it's going out of season, whatever the case may be. But that's a jackpot deal, guys. And you see the profits. So $2.99. Let's just do $3.50. 14 bucks profit, guys. There you have it, jackpot. So that's the first thing I scanned in this section. Just grab it. Alright guys, so yeah. I see you guys. Cart's getting a little full, but we're gonna do it. It's not full actually. It's light work, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get this money. Go fast. There's germs and shit. They just be coughing and don't cover their mouth. But anyways, family. So the other vlog was for the regular channel, for the lifestyle vlog.
Baby, how are you paying?
Card, right here. So yeah, family. So get this. We came in here for some eggs, and I crushed it because I found a bunch of other stuff. To put on to send in, and that's how you make a quick flip. Me and Walmart came for some eggs and leaving with some retail arbitrage stuff. The cart's right there, crushing it. We out, fam. Okay, family. So yeah, that's the day. We got so many. We actually found a lot of products. I found products from there. From everything I showed you guys, I found products at those stores and brought them back. The last scene you just seen was me in Walmart, actually. So what happened there was we left Burlington. We picked up our little nugget. We went back out to get some eggs because I need eggs for my smoothie. That's why, hence my name for my other channel now, Almost Vegan. That's like one of the. Anyways, we needed eggs. So I went and got some eggs. But when I walked into Walmart, lucky me, they had a clearance rack. Like just a please leave clearance rack. Like these clearance racks are gold mines. Like you'll have clearance racks and clearance items in Walmart, and those are good. But these racks are like the ones they display. They bring them to the front. They're like, please get rid of this stuff. Get this shit out of here, pretty much. So they marked down so crazy. So I found a couple of that's why I had so many items. Just right in the top of the cart, the shopping cart, clearance items that were like clearance, like super clearance, and I bought them all. You know what I mean? So that was an awesome come up. There was even little knickknacks, little tape things. Actually, let me see if I can find them. Yeah, if I don't know if you guys ever noticed this big pile of stuff in the corner. This is really all my retail arbitrage stuff besides my baby's little playpen. So yeah, this was the Burlington bag. Yeah, that's pretty packed in there. This is one of the Walmart bags. A couple items in there. Another Walmart bag. A couple items in. Oh shoot. Some more stuff back here that I need to send in. But let's see in here. I want to find one of those little knickknacks I was talking about. Where is it? Where are they? I had another bag then. Where's the other bag? Yeah. Okay, guys. Like I said, I was just looking for those little pieces of tape for like 30 minutes, and it was about to drive me crazy. I was gonna rip this house apart just to find 5 little things that I bought for 50 cents a piece. Yes, I was gonna rip the house apart because I'm maybe that mad. So in the meantime of doing that, I found all the stuff that I have. So I acquired. This is my Burlington bag. There's a bunch of stuff in there. Here's 2 Walmart bags, bunch of stuff in there. Here's a Goodwill item, huge one. That's probably gonna make me a lot of money. Here's another Goodwill item. You guys seen that one? I think you guys seen that one. It's gonna make me a lot of money. Here's another one in there. Goodwill item's gonna make me a lot of money. And look, yeah, stuff even as little as this. This is what I was telling you guys about. Check this out. All right, look at these little tape things, whatever, right? Bought them for 50 cents. 50 cents. Each one of these are gonna make me $1.50. I think $1.50. $1 or $1.50. I think it's $1.50 profits. But the main thing you want to do after doing something like this, the main thing you want to do now is send it in as soon as possible. See, all this I know I can fill up a box. So once I can fill up a medium-sized box, that's my cue. That's my cue for me to list it. If it's not filling up a medium-sized box, I won't list it unless I have items that are like high-ticket items that I bought at the thrift store, maybe Goodwill store, maybe, or any store, but they're high-ticket. Maybe I bought them for like less than 20 bucks, but it's gonna make me over 50 bucks. I'll list those ones right away. Sometimes. But I've had that one for a while now. So yeah, guys, this is a good run. This is a good run, and you do this consistently. Now, I know this may not be a lot of money. This is still gonna make me maybe a couple $100, right? Maybe a little bit over 200 bucks or whatnot. Yeah, probably over 200 bucks. Profits. My money plus the 200 profit. Now that may not seem like a lot, but I did this all in one day, guys. Well, most of it in one day, right? So that's $200 of profit for that day. I guarantee over 200. Plus the stuff I got the other day, that's gonna make the profit score a little higher. Now you do this on a daily basis or a weekly basis. Even if you do it on a weekly basis, you want to go a little bit harder than that. You want to, you want to spend 200 bucks, because I didn't spend 200 bucks. But if I spent 200 bucks, it'll probably be double, triple the size of what you see, and I would be making 600 to 800 bucks profit. You know what I mean? So, yeah, guys, that is a wrap for this one. Like I said, you guys like this stuff, so I'm gonna keep doing this. Keep posting me going into stores. But guess what? I got a crazy surprise for you guys. I am starting to work on a course, and it's going to be dun 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 the private label. And a lot of you guys have been asking me, like, hey Lavar, how do you do private label? How do you do private label? How do you do private label? A lot of you guys want to know how to transfer from retail arbitrage to private label. So I mean, it's as simple as you just make another account, or you use the same account, wait till it dries out, or not wait till it dries out. It really doesn't matter. You can use the same account and just do private label. It doesn't matter. You can use the same account. Okay, for me, I would use a different one just because it would be easier to track my private label products and not have, like, any like leftover stuff from my retail arbitrage. But you can do it on the same account, which I would do that too if I just didn't feel like it, if I want to be lazy and do it. Anyways, I'm going to be making a private label course. I don't know when it's going to come out, but I'm going to help you guys out with that. I'm going to make that. I don't know when I'm going to price it. I don't know any of this yet. But for a course, as far as courses go, that's the first one I'm going to do, because a lot of you guys have been asking how to do that. And to show how to do that, it's like really, it's a lot of steps, and it's going to take a lot of my time. So I'm going to make that the first one. The other ones may or may not be as courses. They may just be in a community or whatever. I don't know yet, but I think I'm working on a private label course for now. So guys, stay tuned for that. That's later down the road. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not going to give you guys a time frame because you will hold me to it. But that's that. You see what's up. If you are family, you're already subscribed. Definitely. If you're my family, you're already subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you're not my family. I don't even know if we cool if you're not subscribed. Maybe you just a swagger jacker. You trolling. You just to press the dislike button. But you are you. Anyways, if you're my family, you're subscribed. If you're my blood family, you hit that bell and you're subscribed. And the other channel, link in the description. You're subscribed to that one too. If you're my blood, we out. Peace.